Do you need demolition, excavation, or underpinning done right the first time? Magcor Demolition is here to service your every need. No matter how big or small the project, our team is trusted by homeowners and builders across the GTA to deliver fast and efficient work with the highest standards of safety and attention to detail. Magcor is fully licensed to handle all of your precise excavation, underpinning, knockdown, and site cleanup projects. From layout to bin disposal, we handle it all. Contact us now for a free quote.